You want to buy, but the idea of selling terrifies you? We can solve that problem. Hey, Jordan Matin here, and I hear so many sellers that want to buy the new home, but they can't because they need to sell their current property. And the idea of going through the rigmarole, maybe fixing it or cleaning it up or whatever, is just too much to bear. So here at Matin Real Estate, we have relationships with different financial companies that will literally give you a semi-bridge loan, be able to purchase your next home if you qualify, and then actually move into that home, maybe even do some repairs. There's budgets for that as well. And then once you're situated here, move back to the old home, either clean it up or sell it as it is or whatever. We list the property so you're able to get the most bang for your buck and maybe aren't going with like an iBuyer or a company that just buys it at a discount. We're doing this consistently all the time, and we're now elite statuses with a lot of the companies that are local and national that are giving this kind of financial freedom to sellers. If you want to see if your home and you qualify, love to come out, take a look at your property, give you an idea of how it works. Of course, we'll always give you that marketing plan of action when you've already moved on your current home so that you can get top dollar. Thank you so much.